Give us wisdom, give us light, new hope, new faith, shining bright. Show us beauty, show us truth, guide our hearts, our whole life through. Let us walk the path of truth, holding love so pure. If we stumble, lose our way, be our guiding star. In devotion we call to you, grant us knowledge deep and wide. Show us beauty, show us truth, guide our hearts, our whole life through. Oh Lord, giver of all joy, ocean full of love, strength to weak, hope to lost, Father from above. In our prayers we reach to you, grant us courage, make us strong. Show us beauty, show us truth,